This, in my opinion, is the best budget wireless gaming headset on the market. Let me explain. The HyperX Cloud Core Wireless comes in at a price of 135 Australian dollars, touting great audio performance at a low price. So here's the good and the bad. In the box you get a USB-C to USB-A cable to charge the headset, a detachable mic, the wireless dongle, and the headphones themselves, of course. So you're getting a pretty comprehensive package here. Unfortunately, this headset is only compatible with PCs as it uses a USB-A dongle that can only be used with a PC. Okay, so starting off with comfort, these headphones are really quite comfortable. The nice soft fake leather material on your ears is quite nice as it doesn't itch your ears like other headsets on the market do. The soft headband on top is also great as it relieves some of the pressure off of your ears, which results in this headset being great if you wear glasses as it doesn't press them too much into your head. Coming in at only 280 grams, I found using this headset for an extended period of time was really easy, and only after about 4 hours of use did I need to take a break. So overall, in terms of comfort, I would give these an 8 out of 10. And if you're still watching the video by now, that means you should probably subscribe as I'm trying to hit 1,000 by the end of the year and it really helps me out. Thanks. In terms of I/O, you're getting a power button, a mute button, a volume wheel, a USB-C port to charge, and of course a detachable mic jack. When you press the mute button, 2 beeps means that it's muted, 1 beep means that it's unmuted. And this is what the mic sounds like. I would say that overall this mic's pretty good, it's passable, and if you don't want something on your desk or you just need something on the go with you, I would say that it's more than usable. My only concern would be damage to the mic's pop filter, but other than that, it's pretty good. Moving on to audio quality, I would say that these headphones are tuned to appeal to the average gamer. When listening to music, I found that the bass was quite heavy, but still quite punchy. The highs were of acceptable quality and the mids were a little bit muddy and lost. It's definitely tuned to more of the extremities of audio, but overall provides a nice listening experience. In-game, this headset's also really quite good as it allows you to easily hear footsteps and gunshots as well as how far they are from you, thanks to the 7.1 surround sound support. Definitely has some great in-game performance. Let's talk about wireless connectivity. These headphones do not use Bluetooth, therefore you cannot use Bluetooth with them. I want to make that clear. Instead, they use this USB device, which is just plugged into the back of your PC, and it sends a 2.4 GHz signal to it, and from what I can tell, the signal is actually really quite strong. So I'm going to test and see how far I can walk away from my PC before being disconnected. Let's go on a stroll, shall we? So far, the wireless connectivity is still pretty strong. I'm still connected, and I don't feel any interference in my headphones. I'm currently in my bedroom, which is pretty much where I'd go to. Other than that, I'd probably go to the kitchen and it's just cut out. So I'd say that's about 15 meters, which is good enough, especially considering it's currently going through walls. So definitely good in the wireless respect. Now setting up these headphones is really easy as all you have to do is plug in the USB and you're off to the races. You don't have to download any software if you don't want to, but there is the DTS software which does create a more immersive experience by using 7.1 surround. Unfortunately, when using the headphones there is a slight hissing sound. Now it seems to be that when you open the DTS app for the first time, this hissing sound does go away a little bit, but it is still there. It's very minuscule and very slight, but it's just as much as any other Bluetooth headphone on the market. Alright, now for the battery life. I found it to be acceptable. I got around 25 hours of battery before needing to recharge the headphones, so it managed to get me through 6 to 7 days of normal use. That's all well and good, but the one big flaw in this product is actually the cable. The cable's way too short to charge your headphones and use them at the same time, even though you can do that. So you're either going to need to buy a new USB-C cable or just charge them incrementally over time between uses. So what's my verdict on the HyperX Cloud Core Wireless? I think they're a great headset. They're plenty comfortable, have good audio quality, have a good mic, and have good battery life, and overall are just a really good product to use. Overall, these headphones are getting an 8 out of 10 for their good price to performance at only 135 Australian dollars. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and as always, I'm TechBiz, and I'm out.